Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will be giving an introduction on HTML. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hyper Text Markup Language. It is easy and fun to learn. HTML describes the structure of web pages. HTML5 is the fifth and current major version of the HTML standard. Why learn HTML5 as a website developer or a programmer? It is essential to learn HTML if you want to build websites. You can't build one if you don't know HTML because it's one of the prerequisites in learning other languages used for web development. Let's try an example. For you to learn faster and see how it would actually look like on a real browser, you have to get a text editor. For PC users I recommend Visual Studio Code or Sublime Text Editor. For Android users you can get lots of text editor on Play Store. Just follow this example. I will explain the example line by line. Create a new folder on your desktop. Inside the folder, create a file with .html extension. Open the file with your text editor and type the codes. Save your file when you are done typing. Open the file with your web browser to see the result. DocType, this declares the document type which is HTML5. HTML, this element encloses everything inside of an HTML document. It includes tags, elements, style sheets, scripts, text, multimedia and a lot more. Head, this element encloses the metadata of a document which will not be displayed on the main content of a web page. This could include style sheets, scripts, title, meta tags and lot more. Title, this element defines the title of a web page. It appears on the upper part of a browser. Body, this element encloses elements like headings, paragraphs, images, and so on. H1, this element defines a heading. P, this element defines a paragraph. What are HTML tags? HTML tags are elements names surrounded by angle brackets. In HTML we start and end tags. Look at the example. Start tag, also known as opening tags. End tag, also known as closing tags. This is the basic structure of any HTML page. Memorize this. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.